Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JLab JBuddies Studio 2 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here at the top click add Bluetooth for other device. Bluetooth. After that, right here at the right ear cup we have multifunctional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light starts flashing blue and red. Here we go, we have it. So now we should wait until we can see it at the device list. Now click on it at the device list. And then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!